So this video is a bit of information on a new feature that we've launched. For those of you that may have noticed already, when you go to your admin page and you create a user, you've now got the ability to add an AI user. What I want to go through today is just an overview of what it can do for you and how you can get going with the basic setup. So if you were to create a new user, give it a name, role would be user, and then select the appropriate inbox if you've got more than one. And it is simply as easy as giving it a prompt. The key here is a good prompt that will educate the bot to do what you want it to do. So a good starting point here is to use a website here called Prompt Cowboy. So look, I've just typed in here, I want a sales inquiry bot for my business that provides, so we might say, my business that is a dentist. And if I just start with that prompt there, what Prompt Cowboy will do, it will start expanding that prompt for you. So there we go. Let's go to the situation and some key tasks. And then what you can also then do is customize it further, where using, improving the prompt sections here. And what you'll end up with is a detailed list, which you can then copy and paste into the prompt section within your Msgboxx bot that you created. You can then start refining it. Now, to do that, I've just been using ChatGPT, and I want to give you an example here of what we've been able to create. So, we've got our prompt that we've then expanded out, okay? And then I've then said, okay, let's expand, in this example, CRM integration. And then it's going to keep coming back with more and more refinements. So this is a term that you may have heard before. It's called vibe coding. You don't have to be a developer to write this. You just are going to put it in plain ordinary English as to what you want it to achieve. And you can keep going from there. Now, the important thing here is the bot has the ability to assign a chat to your users or teams, and the bot has the ability to archive the chat off. So, for example, you might create within your environment. If I just go to Teams here we go. We've got sales and we have accounts. So if you were to tell the bot that once you've qualified a lead, assign to the sales team, and just by telling it assign to the sales team, it will assign accordingly. If someone, the bot is also going to be aware of any other users on the platform, but have a play here. The key part is defining the prompt cleanly inside of using tools like ChatGPT. Let me just show you another thing here on this this sales bot that I've just created this morning. So once we've got our master prompt, a really good thing to do is to start filling it within typical questions. So look, after I've got my core prompt, I've then got example questions and responses. So in this particular bot, it's for sales inquiries for our platform that obviously you guys are well aware of. So is there a mobile app? Can I use on the desktop? And then here we go. We've now got the type of questions that we're going to get asked, and we want to guide the bot with the sort of response that we're going to want to give. So at the moment, we're not looking to charge this as additional. This is in beta. It may well be that, once we understand the true cost of what's behind all of this. But for now, you can create your own bots. They count as a user against your existing allocation. But at the moment, that's it. There's nothing more than a human user for you to add. But yeah, work around your prompt. And a good one here is give it many, many examples. And in this example, I think I've given it nearly 60. The more examples you give it, the more accurate it's going to be for you. But yeah, if you've got any questions, please just book in with Andrew and myself. We'll help guide you through. But like I say, this is in beta. We welcome your ideas and thoughts as to how to improve it. But we've already had a lot of success deploying some bots already. So yeah, please come back with any questions.